You won't believe what happened today. So I am going to tell you detail of everything that happened. I saw that police was arresting a nude man, and what did we saw? A few days ago, I decided that I will start jogging because as I was in India, I lost 3 kgs of weight and I gained everything back when I come to Germany. There's a stadium in our town, and I've started going for jogging in this stadium, and it was very nice. I used to meet so many people. We used to have short talks, and it was a nice experience to run with music, and it was a very nice experience for me. My Indian friend started to join me for jogging, and we started from this Monday. And what we did was, as usual, I made my daughter ready, and I left her in her kita, and then I and my Indian friend, we went for jogging. Okay, we reached there, and we started to jog, and we noticed that on the other side of the stadium there were 4 men standing in construction workers uniform, that is safety vest. They told us to run in the other side, and then we got really confused that what was happening there. So since we were running, we got closer and closer, and one of them, this construction worker, said to us in German, Lieber gehen Sie zurück, wir kennen auch nicht, was hat passiert, oder wir wissen auch nicht, was hat passiert. So that means that please preferably go back because we also don't know what had happened. Behind there were 2 police auto or police vehicle, and 2 men and 1 woman police officer came out of these auto. We started going back, and I was really concerned if any serious crime happened there, because in this stadium there are many young people who come there. So I was really hoping that there was nothing serious like murder or rape or something like that. My friend noticed that police was arresting a dark-skinned nude, that in this place a man was walking out, and there were police officers, of course. So nothing aggressive was going on. The man was walking finely, and he was not drugged or anything. Only thing that was awkward was that he was naked. He moved for a few steps, and then he took his dress and he started getting dressed again. When I was jogging last week, I remember that it was the very same person who was working in construction workers uniform there, and we literally had a short talk also. As I was going there, he wore his sunglasses and said hello and asked wie spät ist es, which means how late it is, or when in German you ask for time, you said the same phrase. So he was asking for time. I told him the time, and I just moved away because I was learning and I didn't want to get disturbed. And as soon as I realized this thing, I felt really sick to my stomach that what really had happened. So please, stranger, and let's not meet again. We came back. I dropped my friend to her home, and then I called to my husband, and I told him that what has happened, and he googled a bit, and he later told me that in the same place, in the same town, in news there was a man who was self-pleasing himself, and he was naked, and when people were complaining about himself, he ran away, and most probably he was the, like, by the description I can understand, then he was the same man who ran away from that area. There today again, and it was totally calm and peaceful, and there was nothing wrong. So I hope that there was nothing serious that happened there. And as I had told to my husband that I have this concern that some serious crime has happened, so he told me one more thing, that if it was any serious thing involved, then there must be a doctor or a notas or emergency doctor or ambulance there should be there, but there was nothing like that. So I hope there was nothing serious, and I really hope that nothing serious has happened. So that was the story for today, and we will meet again with other videos and talk about so many other things. So if you like this video, please hit like button and subscribe to my channel, and we will meet again with a new topic and a new video, and hopefully nothing horrible like this.